Hi there, this is Andy from Skilz4umedia, bringing the latest reviews, tutorials and creative experience online. And today I'm going to be teaching you some new origami skills. So make sure you like the video, share the content and subscribe to our channel. Let's give it a go.
Why hello everybody and welcome to Skilz4umedia, and today we're going to be making a baby dinosaur. How cool is that? Okay, so first of all what we're going to do is start off with our usual square piece of paper. This piece of paper is 20 centimeters by 20 centimeters, which I've cut out of an A4 piece of paper. So first of all I'm just going to fold the piece of paper over just like that. I'm going to repeat that the opposite direction, just bring that central, taking extra care that everything lines up, and I push down firmly, like so. From here we're going to make two kite shapes. I rotate the piece of paper around, take the right hand side to the middle, taking extra care with the point there, because we want our folds nice and clean. Do exactly the same thing on the other side, repeating. So now we have a kite shape. What I'm going to do is open that up and repeat that on the other end. I fold over towards the middle, following the middle line there, pushing down firmly, repeating the same thing on the other side. So now I'm going to make a diamond shape. So all of these folds, I'm going to take this part, push over, fold to middle, so we got it looking like that, and then repeat on exactly the same side, like so. Just going to try and clean up that fold there. Good job. Right, so from here, I'm going to turn it over, taking extra care, like that, and then I'm going to repeat that over towards the middle, so hopefully your shape looks like that. Are we good? Great job. Then I'm going to fold it back on itself, just like that. So our shape should look something along those lines. Good job. Okay, so from here, the paper is now quite thick, so I'm just going to fold that over the top and just make a nice crease. So far, so good. Okay, so from here, I'm just going to turn it back that direction. So these are the feet, this is the tail. So from here, I'm just going to fold over the head, like that. Good job. Now I'm going to fold that inside. So open it up and then push the head inside. And now I want this part, because at the moment it pretty much looks like a bird, doesn't it really? So I'm just going to turn it back on itself, just like that. Superb. And then just fold it inside the head. So that's pretty cool so far. And there we go. We pretty much have our baby dinosaur. Now, our baby dinosaur is not going to be complete without the eye, is it? So, we're just going to take a googly eye. So you can buy one of these in any hobby craft or craft company. Stick a bit of glue on there. Oh, there goes the dinosaur. It's alive. Stick it on the head, and there we go. There is our baby dinosaur. So well done everybody, good job. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to Skilz4umedia. Hopefully see you soon.